Hi students, today we are going to do exercise 3-2, question number 5, 6, 7 and 8. Exercise 3-2, question number 5, simplify. Our first question is under 5, minus 23 plus 48 plus minus 35. Here two different integers. And there are three numbers given, and we have to simplify this. How to simplify? If like this questions comes, then you have to see first integers, whether they are negative or positive, first thing. If both are there, then in that you have to see how many negative integers are there, how many positive integers are there. If more than one negative integer, then you have to add first that and then go to the next positive integer. So let's do here, since here there are two negative integers and one positive integer. First we'll add these two. Okay, minus 23 plus minus 35, then plus 48. This way will go. So when two negative integers comes or same integers come, what we have to do is we have to add and give the common sign. So let's do 35 plus 23. 35 plus 23. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we got the answer minus 58. Answer is 58. Common sign is minus. Then we'll do this 48. Here two different integers. In that case, what we have to do is find the difference. So 58 minus 48. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So we got the answer 10. But the greater number sign we have to give. Here greater number is minus 58. So the answer's sign will be minus. So minus 10 is our answer. Now let's do the next one. 38 plus minus 20 plus 16 plus minus 19. Here also two different kinds of integers, and here there are four numbers. In this case, we can add both the positive integers first and then both the negative integers. Okay, let's do here 38 plus 16 plus minus 20 plus minus 19. Now we'll add these two. 38 plus 16. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 1 balance, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So we got the answer 54. Now plus minus 20 plus 19. This also will add. Since both the integers are same, add together and give the common sign. So 20 plus 19. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So we got common sign, we will give minus and then 39. Now here again, this is two different integers. So what we will do, find the difference and give the greater numbers sign. So 54 minus 39. 54 minus 39. From 4 we cannot subtract 9. So we have to borrow from here. This will become 4 and this 4 will become 14. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. Remaining here 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 15. So our answer is 15. Greater number sign is positive. We don't need to put that. So as it is, we'll write 15. So our answer is 15. Our next question is minus 44 plus 911 plus minus 56 plus 89. Let's add these two together first. Minus 44 plus minus 56 plus 911 plus 89. Let's add these two together first. 56 plus 44. 56 plus 44. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 1 balance, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 4, 10. So we got the answer 100. Common sign is minus 100 plus. Now we'll add these two positive integers, that is 911 plus 89. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. 1 balance, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 8, 10. 1 balance, 1 plus 9, 10. So we got the answer 1000. Now here two different integers, so we find the difference of these two integers. That is 1000 minus 100. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So our answer is 900. Since greater number sign is positive, here it is positive, we don't need to put positive sign. It is understood that is positive. Then next, minus 8 plus minus 9 plus 18 plus minus 11. There are 3 negative integers and 1 positive integer. Let's add this minus 8 plus minus 9 plus minus 11 and then add 18. Here 11 plus 9 plus 8. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 1 balance, 1 plus 1, 2. We got the answer 28. That is minus 28 plus 18. Find the difference of these two. 28 minus 18. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So we got the answer 10. And that we have to see the greater number sign, that is minus. So our answer is minus 10. Our next question is 32 plus minus 25 plus 8 plus minus 63 plus minus 12. Here there are 5 integers. So let's add these positive integers first. 32 plus 8. Then we'll do negative integers, minus 25 plus minus 63 plus minus 12. 32 plus 8 is equal to 40 plus, let's do this, 63 plus 25 plus 12. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 1 balance. 1 plus 6, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. 100. So common sign is minus. minus 100. Now since they are two different integers, find the difference. 100 minus 40. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So we got the answer. Greater number sign is minus. Answer is 60. So our answer is minus 60. Question number 6. Minus 260 plus 2 plus minus 139 plus 73 plus minus 41. Let's add first negative integers. Minus 260 plus minus 139 plus minus 41 plus 2 plus 73. 260 plus 139 plus 41. All these three negative integers first will add. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Plus 1 is equal to 10. 1 balance 1 plus 6, 7. Plus 3, 10. Plus 4, 14. 1 balance. 1 plus 2, 3. Plus 1, 4. So we got the answer 440. Common sign is minus. Okay. Minus 440 plus 2 plus 73. 73 plus 2 is equal to 75. Two different integers. So we will find the difference. 440 minus 75. From 0 we cannot subtract 5. So we have to borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. Then this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Remaining 3. From 3 we cannot subtract 7. So we have to borrow from this 4. This 4 becomes 3. And this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Then remaining only 3 here. Nothing is there to subtract. So we'll write direct 3. 365. Now we have to see the greater number sign, that is negative. So here we'll write minus 365. This is our answer. Our next question is question number 6. Put greater than, lesser than or is equal to in the box. Under 6, the first question is minus 5 plus 10 minus 5 plus minus 4. Here two different integers, here same integers. Now here, since they are two different integers, what we have to do? We have to minus or find the difference and give the greater numbers sign. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Greater number sign is positive. Okay. Now, again we'll keep a box here and then minus 5 plus minus 4. These are same integers. So what we have to do? We have to add and give the common sign. In that case, 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 minus 9. Like this, you don't need to write plus, but I am just making you to understand how to find the sign, which sign to be given. So this way, if you want, you can do this way. Otherwise, you can do it in your mind and then give the sign. Sometimes you make mistake, so do this way. That is always better. Always positive integer is greater than negative integer. So the sign is greater than sign. 5 is greater than minus 9. That is what we read. Then second question here, minus 29 plus 75. Here 75 plus minus 29. Same. Minus 29 here, minus 29 here. 75 is here, 75 is here. So equals to sign. Then next question is minus 30 plus 55. Here 25 plus minus 60. Here if we find the difference, since two different integers, when we find the difference we get the answer 55 minus 30 is equal to 25. Greater number sign is positive. Then here two different integers, again we find the difference 60 minus 25. What is our answer? 35. 35 greater number sign is minus. So minus 35. Okay. Again here two different integers, and always positive integer is greater than the negative integer. We know that. So 25 is greater than minus 35. Next, 37 plus 45. Minus 35 plus minus 45. Here both are positive integers, here both are negative integers. So of course we know that positive integers are greater than negative integers. So it will be greater than sign. Our next question is minus 7 plus 5 plus minus 24. This side, and this side minus 52 plus 36. Let's solve this first. We'll add these two negative integers, 24 plus 7. What is our answer is 31. This two are negative integers. So minus 31 plus 5 this side. Okay. So different two different integers. So we got the answer is 31 minus 5 is equal to 26. That is minus 26. This side minus 26. Okay. Then this side 52 minus 36. We have, since they are two different integers, we have to find the difference. From 2 we cannot subtract 6. So we have to borrow from here. This will become 4 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Greater number sign is minus. Minus 16. Both are negative integers, but the smaller number is greater than the greater number. Okay, since they are negative integers. Okay, from if you remember, if we recollect, on number line we have learned the integers. From 0 how far it goes, that much it becomes smaller number. So 16 and then goes towards the left 26. So 26 is smaller than 16. That is what we learned. So minus 26 is lesser than minus 16. So lesser than is the sign. Next one, 75 plus 98 plus minus 425. Here this side, right side, minus 561 plus 31 plus 127. We'll do this first. 75 plus 98. Plus 98. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 1 balance. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. These are two positive integers. So 173 plus minus 425. So we have to find the difference of these two numbers. Minus 425. Okay, 425 minus 173. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Here only 2. From 2 we cannot subtract 7. So we have to borrow from here. This 4 becomes 3. This 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Remaining here 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 252. That is greater number sign is minus. So minus 252. Then we'll see this side. Here 2 positive integers and here 1 negative integer. So 127 plus 31. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1, since there is nothing to add, so 1 as it is. 158. This is positive integer. Here 561, that is negative integer. So we have to find the difference of these two numbers. 561 minus 158. From 1 we cannot subtract 8. So we have to borrow from here. 6 becomes 5. 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is equal to 3. Here remaining 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Then 5. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Since the greater number sign is negative, so 403 is minus 403. Now we learned that as it goes farther from the 0, it will be smaller number. So minus 403 is smaller than or lesser than minus 252. That means minus 252 is greater than minus 403. Our next question is, a bus travelled 56 kilometer. How much? 56 kilometer in the north direction from its initial position. From the initial position, which is important, and then further travelled 110 kilometer in the south direction. From there, that means from 56 kilometer, it has travelled 110 kilometer towards the south. How far was the bus from its initial position, which is again important. Once again, a bus travelled 56 kilometer in the north direction from, okay, that means bus travelled 56 kilometer in the north direction from the initial point. We'll take it initial point as 0. Here north, south, initial point 0. From here bus travelled how many kilometer? 56 kilometer in the north. So I will mark here as 56 kilometer. Okay, from the initial point bus travelled. Okay, 56 kilometer in the north. Then further travelled 110 kilometer in the south direction from there. From where? From this 56 kilometer. The bus travelled from initial point to north 56 kilometer. From there bus travelled back towards the south. Okay, not from the initial point. Please notice that bus travelled from the initial point to the north 56 kilometer. From there bus travelled back to south. How many kilometers? 110 kilometer. Okay, how far the bus from its initial point? Okay. This is 110 kilometer. Okay. It says bus traveled from the initial point to the north 56 kilometer, and from that point, from the 56 kilometer, bus traveled back to south 110 kilometer. 110 kilometer. Now we have to find what we have to find. How far was the bus from its initial point? That is what we have to find out. From the initial point, how far the bus is. For that, what we have to do is, from this 110 kilometer, we have to subtract this 56 kilometer, then we will find, or then we will come to know how far the bus is from the initial point. Okay, so 110 minus 56. From 0 we cannot subtract 6, so we have to borrow from this. This 1 becomes 0 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. From 0 we cannot subtract 5, so we have to borrow from here, and this becomes 10. This 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 54. So our answer is 54 kilometer. Hope you all understood. We'll see once again. A bus traveled 56 kilometer. How many kilometer? 56 kilometer. In the north, which is important, in the north. Then, north direction. From its initial point, which is again very, very important. From initial point, bus traveled to the north 56 kilometer. Then, further traveled 110 kilometer in the south direction. That means opposite. From there, how far was the bus from its initial point? From its initial point, here this is the initial point, that is 0, I have already mentioned. From initial point to 56 kilometer it went to north. From there it came back to the south. Okay, 110 kilometer. Now we have to find this distance. So for that, 110 minus 56 is equal to 54. So 54 kilometer is our answer. Our next question is, find the value of P. What is that? Find the value of P. First question is, P plus 7 is equal to 0. We have already learned that for any integer, there exists its opposite. We have learned. So here, P plus 7 is equal to 0. 7's opposite is minus 7. So minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. So P is equal to minus 7. P's value is minus 7. Next, minus 2 plus P is equal to 0. Minus 2's opposite is 2 is equal to 0. So, P is equal to 2. Very simple. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please mention in the comment box. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to stay tuned.